Hi everyone, welcome back to Vanakkam Germany channel. If you live in Germany or you have a family here, December 2025 brings some important changes you should be aware of. Let's break down the biggest changes and updates happening in Germany, how they could affect you. For people who are not aware of me, myself Balaji, together with my wife, we make videos all about Germany to make the expats' life easier. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, take a moment to subscribe this channel. This video is sponsored by the Indian Women in Germany. They are conducting an expo to support the women entrepreneurs living around Munich and Frankfurt. If you are an entrepreneur or a freelancer who wants to promote your services to the international community and reach a wide source of people, this would be a good chance for you. In this expo, there will also be a separate networking sessions from the established business representatives. This is an open event and free for all the audience. If you already have an established business, you can register it using the link which is given in our description. If you are in the process of registering the business or need support, you can also connect with our team Vanakkam Germany as well. We can guide you with a step-by-step process how you can register a business in Germany. This expo will slowly be happening at different major cities like Dusseldorf, Berlin and few others. Keep connected with us or keep following our channel to get regular updates. Let's start with the upcoming updates in month December. The first update, tenant rights and Nebenkostenabrechnung, utility bills. If you are renting a house in Germany, listen up. Your landlord must send your annual utility bill called the Nebenkostenabrechnung within 12 months. For the utility bills covering 2024, you need to get that bill by December 31, 2025. If it arrives after that, for example in January 2026, you generally don't have to pay any extra fees unless the landlord can prove the delay was not his fault. Make sure to save the envelope or email when you receive your bill because it shows the date it was received. Even if the bill is late, any money the landlord owes you must still be paid out, so you can't miss it. Also, many expats don't know that if your bill lacks details about carbon dioxide heating costs, you can reduce your heating charges by 3%. Plus, the cable TV fees should no longer be charged to the tenant since mid-2024. So if you see those charges, ask your landlord to remove them. Comment below if you have already received the operational bills just to see how many have got it already. Next update about the capital gains and investment accounts. Be sure to review your tax exemption for the capital gains called the Freistellungsauftrag. You can earn up to 1000 euros tax free and 2000 euros for the couples. If you properly allocated your exemption across different accounts, some people have the depot accounts with different brokers like COMDIRECT, Consorsbank, Scalable Capital, Trade Republic. You have to try to allocate this exemption properly. If you are one among them planning to start investment in Germany on ETFs and looking for a free depot, which is a trading account in Germany, you can consider having a scalable capital. You can also use a referral link below to open an account. I have been using Scalable Capital for the past 4 years. I'm very happy with it. If you also want to see my portfolio, comment portfolio below. I will show my portfolio, how I have been investing and also diversified my investment accounts in multiple broker. Additionally, if you had investment losses this year, request for a loss certificate. In Germany, it's called as Verlustvortrag. By December 2015, you can get this option. This helps offset gains in other accounts and can save you money on the taxes. Next update about the tax deadlines. If you still need to file your tax return for the year 2021, the final deadline is December 31, 2025. Miss it and you won't be able to get any refunds for that year. So don't forget, mark your calendar. If you have unfinished tax businesses, make sure to do it. If you want to discuss and have some questions clarified with a certified tax consultant, you can book an appointment with our tax consultant using the link which is given in the description. Note, our consultant don't take any new clients at the moment. Next update, new KfW Housing Program 55. Starting December 16, 2025, new time-limited efficiency house 55-plus funding program will be launched officially in Germany. This program supports ready-to-build residential projects with up to 100,000 in low-interest KfW loans per housing unit. To qualify, the homes must meet the Efficiency House 55 standard and use 100% renewable energy for the heat generation. Fossil fuels such as gas and oil are not allowed. Eligible technologies including heat pumps, district heating, solar thermal systems, biomass and other renewable heating solutions are allowed. If you want to avail more details and looking for the housing loans in Germany, you can connect with our team to get more details. Link to get connected with our housing loan expert is also in the description. Look for it. Next update is about the train timetable updates. If you're planning for a train journey this winter, then you must know this particular update. The German train network gets its annual timetable overhaul on December 14th. You may expect new fast connections. Some routes will get more IC sprinter trains, while others with fewer passengers might be reduced or cut out. It's a good idea to check the current schedules in advance, especially if you travel for the holiday. If you want more details or need help to understand anything about Germany, what this means for you, drop a question in the comments. We are happy to comment based on the knowledge which we have gained in the past. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on everything affecting life in Germany. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye from Vanakkam, Germany. Balaji.